So hello traders, how you doing? Welcome to my channel where I'll be showing you some weekly analysis on what I see on the markets, and just for you to really have a different perspective on the market view, and you can actually take some few things, compare it to what you had before, and make the best possible decisions when trading during the week. So for this week I'll be having two pairs to analyze, and that will be GBPUSD and the GBPJPY. I can see some promising trades for the week. So let's go into it, and let's see what we have for this week. And I'm starting with GBPUSD. So here we're on the daily time frame. As you can see, we had a clear up movement here, then before actually having this slight correction, which we intend to actually take another move to the upside. But before then, let's see what we have structurally. But firstly, I like to draw my support and resistance. Yeah, we can see that it was okay. Let's point this out. Yeah, I can see it was rejected here. It was rejected here, and finally it was also rejected here. So it was initially a resistance, and finally it became a support here, which we expect to have as a confirmation to go more to the upside. And let's look at how the correction has been forming for the couple of weeks now. So here we have a corrective measure, a downward pattern. Okay, let's adjust this a bit. Sorry about that. So you can see we have a clear downtrend here. There isn't too much details here, so let's go down to the 4-hour time frame, where we can take a more concise look on the markets. So yeah, we also have something similar to what we have on the higher time frame. Here we also have some rejections there. Yeah, we kind of break through a little bit here, but there's a little significant because there are much of wicks that really draw down. So we have a clear rejection here, we have a clear rejection here. Now we actually broke to the upside, and we are coming down to retest that same zone. So I'll probably take that zone as a very good point to take a long trade, which is a buy trade. So here we have a clear break of structure. We actually broke this high, and since this high was broken, I'm expecting to take a buy trade after the candle successfully rejects here and gets a confirmation. So let's see, but temporarily before it gets there, which might take a little bit of time, let's go down to 1-hour time frame and see the opportunities that are available, which are very, very close. Okay, yeah, very good. Now you can see this long spike that really happened here. Now we wouldn't expect the market to just keep on going on a steady pace just like that. There's always this point of retest. There is always this point of correction where it has to fill in all these gaps before actually making the move it's supposed to make. So right now I'll probably be expecting more of a correction upward here to our supply zone here. Yeah, let me draw it out. So I'll have a supply zone here. So in this zone here, I'll probably be expecting some movements, like kind of correction up here. And when we get here on confirmation, then before actually coming here to take the long position, which is a buy trade. What's happening? So depending on time, let's see how the market really shows us, or how the market really portrays itself to us, because definitely we know we can't chase trades. We just have to follow what the market gives to us. and let's have to follow what the market gives to us, and we take these opportunities to make our money from it. So basically, this is what I see from the 1 hour time frame, and overall, I'm expecting a buy trade definitely. But definitely, if it comes here and you find some kind of rejections, I'll also be waiting for a kind of a small, a smaller support zone here. Yeah, a supply zone here, and might also have a similar structure to what we have on the bigger time frame here, where we have rejected zones here that we actually come here to actually be actually come back there to actually be respected again. So if you have something similar to that, I will see that as a very good opportunity to sell the markets before then. So let's mark this as a support and resistance. So whatever structures actually formed here in the market, I'll be willing to take that short term sell, and that's probably about how many pips long, about 130 pips long. That's really a very good trade opportunity. So let's see what we have on the second pair. Let's go over the second pair. This is GBPJPY. Yeah, GBPJPY has also been moving really good for a while. Let's see. Now you can see on the daily time frame, we have all these movements. Yeah, we have this kind of up movement similar to the GBPUSD also, and we have this corrective movement, and we have this up movement here. So let's see from 4 hours perspective, and now we can actually take advantage of it. But before then, let's do this. Yeah, these are very tiny things that we really need to take note of. Yeah, it was rejected here as a resistance, but finally it came here to become a support. It didn't really touch through, but definitely the market won't always play out the way we want it to be. We just need to see what the market gives to us and take advantage of it. So let's go down to 4 time frame. Here we can see what the market is doing in more details. Let's see, we have our trend line here, which is broken, and we have a kind of line here. It's more like a descending triangle. It was broken here, and the eye was clearly broken and tested. So depending on how long this would be, this correction will take, that depends on how we're going to really know how to take advantage of the market. And basically we could have this, simply because this is a former rejected zone. We could have the market just push up from here, considering the fact that this is a clear pattern in the market, and the market will probably respect it. Let's see, we can go down a little bit, then go up, which will probably make a flag pattern. If you never heard of the flag pattern before, it's just an impulse move, a correction, then an impulse. So that's basically what the flag pattern is all about. Then you have the impulse, just moves rapidly, then you have the correction, then it continues more to the upside. So probably expecting that, you have this, or you have a break here, it comes back to where it is and comes to replace this the supply zones around here before moving more to the upside. Then we can have probably a bigger structure here. Now we don't know, but we just have to wait for whatever the market has to play, then we can take full advantage of it. If there's any clear rejection around this point, then cool, we could actually take a buy trade. But that depends. Patience is the key to having successful trades in the markets. You don't really want to rush it. Just be patient with it, let it prove itself to be, to be the good trader you want to take. If not, to keep on taking so many trades and from losses back to back, and keep on wondering why they don't work. It's just about patience, understanding when and where to enter it. So it's been working pretty cool for a while now, and it will be really awesome. And we could have very good targets in the market. Yeah. So if it does, that'll be all for for this week, and I hope wherever trades you take, I hope you find the patience to look for the most successful ones and really take best trades possible. That will be all for this week. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like the video, make sure you like, you subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next video. So see you guys next week.